Hello YouTubers, I'm so excited to show you guys this Mina Baie Emmy Nylon bag that I just received, and I just removed it from the box that it came with, and now I am unwrapping it and opening it for the very first time, and I'm just so excited to just open this up and start using it already. So let's go ahead and just get started. This bag does come with a dust bag, and I believe all Mina Baie bags come with a dust bag. It's perfect to keep your bags nicely secured and away from dirt and dust. I love the material of this nylon bag from Mina Baie. I have a few bags from them already, and I just could tell that the quality of this bag is really worth the price. The front of the bag has a nice, sleek, cute pocket with a magnetic closure, and the bottom of the bag has metals where you could keep your bag standing and away from the dirt from the ground. This bag does come with 3 straps, 2 backpack straps that is adjustable, and 1 strap to make it into a tote bag. Now I am opening up the strap that you can use to make it into a tote bag. Now I have all 3 straps laid out, the 2 backpack straps as well as the tote strap that it came with. Now that I got all that paper out, you can tell this bag is so roomy. It does come with a key leash, which is nice and long, and the internal zipper pocket, which is also nice and roomy. And it was really easy to open, and you could see each pocket is very spacious for bottles, diapers, clothes, anything you want to put here. Or if you're not using it as a diaper bag and you want to put other things in here, it's perfect for water bottles as well. Going back to the outside of the bag, the front does have that magnetic closure pocket. The side of the bag does not, but it seems to keep things pretty secured. And the back of the bag doesn't have any pockets at all. Here you'll find the tag on how to take care of your Mina Baie bag. And going to the next side of the bag, it also has that external pocket, also without a magnetic closure. On the side, you'll find the hooks and where you can attach your tote strap, and then on the back side here, this is where the hooks are for where you can attach it into a backpack. Now I'm just removing the wrapping from the leather handles, and it's really nice soft leather. The material is just great. I just love Mina Baie. Overall, the design and quality of this bag is just gorgeous. I forgot to mention there is another internal pocket in the bag, and it has a zipper closure, and it's nice and roomy, as well as on the side of it, it also has a little small pocket there. Overall, this bag is so roomy, and it's lightweight, under 2 pounds. It's easy to clean and nicely designed by Mina Baie. Thank you for watching.